Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a payment on Affirm loans. Now for online repayments, what you want to do is to log into your Affirm account, and then you want to click the payments or make a payment tab, and then just select your payment method. That could be credit card, debit card, or bank account, and then you just want to enter the payment amount that you want to make, and then confirm your payments details and submit that. If you're making payments on the mobile app, what you want to do is to open the Affirm mobile app and log into your account, and then just tap the payments or make a payment tab, and you want to select your payment method and then enter the amount that you want to pay, and then just confirm your payment details and submit that. Now for phone payments, what you're going to do is to call Affirm customer service. You just got to call the customer service. The number is right there on the screen, and just follow the prompts to make a payment over the phone. They're going to help you to do that. Now for mail payments, what you want to do is to send a check or money order to the address listed on your Affirm loan statement. Then you can include the payment stub from your loan statement. So yeah, that's pretty much the methods on how to make loan payments. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.